Never seen such a creepy, ugly, scary thing in my life like that. Actually, they're cute, not creepy, not ugly, and they're goats, and they also act like dogs. The domesticated goat is a subspecies of the wild goat of Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. There are also over 300 distinct breeds of goat. Much like deer, female goats are referred as does, and males are called bucks. The babies of both male and female goats are called kids. Sheep and goats are both members of the family Bovine, while deer are in the family of Cervidae. This is not a video just about goats. It's a video about goats and pigs. This animal is often called swine, hog, or just simply pig. It is a distant or subspecies of the wild boar. Pigs are mainly raised by farmers for food. Pigs do not have functioning sweat glands, therefore they take mud baths to cool their body down. Female pigs are called gilts, while male pigs are called boars.